Yes, and the deployment finished successfully. So now if I try go here now to my instance, copy the IP address, right, and paste it here, then the port, right, then I hit enter, and if it is work, it will show us this this message here, عبد العالي جاد المولى DevOps project, right? So I think there is a connection problem. Nice. And now we have عبد العالي جاد المولى DevOps project. So if I try to log in, right? You will ask a question. Why did you log in? However, you have stopped the bots and you rebooted them again. That is where the use case of volumes, right? This is the use case of volumes, because this volume here is always on this host, right? Until I remove this volume and recreate it, then when I will try to log in, it will tell me that Abdul Ali, the Gmail that he provided this login page with it, it will tell me it does not exist in my DynamoDB database, right? But as long that I use volumes, right, even if I stop the bots and I reboot it again, the pod, once it will be rebooted, it will, let me show you here, it will go to this volume and mount this volume to this directory where all our database is stored, right? So when we will reboot the pod next time, it will mount this volume to this directory under the container, and it will this volume will have a database called Abdul Ali DB underscore DB, and it will have the collection users, and it will still there a user with the credential that I have provided in the login page. So here, for example, if I try to log out and then login and then sign up, give it the same, for example, Ali, then this Gmail, then I sign up, sign it up, right? Store it, then this one, then login, and it works as we expected, right? So if we come here now and list our pods, right? Then I will try to get in this pod via this command kubectl. I will teach you more commands in the next videos about Kubernetes, Dockers, and Swarm. So make sure to subscribe to my channel to receive all my newest video about the DevOps, Kubernetes, AWS, and much more. Then paste here that, then say patch. I will not explain what I'm doing now because I have already explained it in previous videos. So db.users.find pretty, and hit enter, and both of them are here, right? Exit from here. Another thing is how you want to see if your pod running well or your deployment. So for that you type describe deployment, and then for the name in the pod, when you go to the pod, this is the name of the deployment, and this is the name of the pod, all of it. So the deployment generates another ID for the pod from its name, right? So here I will type MongoDB. So everything's work as we expected. There is no error here. So it is very useful to know how to execute this command, because sometimes you face issues and you don't know where is the error. So it is very hard to discover that error. So there are some useful commands that you have to use to discover that error. Another command is kubectl. For example, if you want to keep watching the logs of a specific pod, let me give it here and then copy its ID, right? And here I will give it logs, right? Then paste the pod, right? So this is the replica set, right? And this is, so this pod here, so let me come back here and very quickly kubectl its pods, right? This is the ID of the replica set, then all of this of the pod, copy and kubectl logs, paste it here, right? Then type hit enter and you will see all the logs here, right? And another thing, you can keep follow them by typing -f, and you can follow them. Every log will create, you can see it. So I hope that this section and this lab was very useful for you. Thank you for watching.